Hey there, and welcome back to Say It Right. Today's word is one that sounds nothing like it looks. PAIR-uh-dyme. The correct pronunciation is PAIR-uh-dyme. Yes, you heard that right. The G is silent. Let's break it down. Pear, like pair of shoes, or pear, the fruit. A soft sound like in sofa or banana. Dyme rhymes with time or rhyme. Now say it with me. PAIR-uh-dyme. One more time. PAIR-uh-dyme. Great job. So what does PAIR-uh-dyme mean? PAIR-uh-dyme is a model pattern or way of thinking. For example, the internet changed the paradigm of communication. Scientists follow a certain paradigm when conducting research. A shift in paradigm means a major change in how things are done. Fun fact. Did you know that paradigm comes from the Greek word paradigma, meaning example or pattern? That's why it's used to describe a framework or model for something. Now the spelling tip, it's spelled P-A-R-A-D-I-G-M. Common mistake is pronouncing the G, but remember, the G is silent, just like in sign or align. Now you know how to pronounce paradigm and use it like a pro. Thanks for watching Say It Right. If this video helped, give it a thumbs up, hit subscribe, and share it with someone who loves learning new words. Keep practicing, and I'll see you in the next video. Take care.